Good morning. We will start session 2 on chapter linear equations in one variable. So in the previous session we started with the first exercise, and from the second exercise we completed 3 verbal questions. I had also given you a few homeworks from the first exercise wherein you can always check the answers which are given at the back, cross verify with that and see if you get a wrong answer, rework out once again. If not, give me a call to confirm on the same. So we'll continue with the next sums from the second exercise. Fourth one, sum of two numbers is 95. If one exceeds the other by 15, find the numbers. So let, as the thing we first write, let the number be x, right? So what I have given, sum of two numbers is 95. If one exceeds by 15, so let the first number, I'll make it be x, and second number b. What I have given, if one number exceeds the other number by 15, so second number is x plus 15. So by data, sum of both the numbers is given as 95. X plus 15 is equal to 95. That is what we write. X plus x is 2x plus 15 is equal to 95. 2x is equal to 95 minus 15. 2x is equal to 80. Therefore, x is equal to 18.2. Multiplication comes this side. 2 ones are 2 fours are. X is equal to 40. Right? So, highlight the answer. Now, x is equal to 40. Therefore, give the conclusion. The numbers are x plus 15, right? 40 and 40 plus 15, that is nothing but the numbers are 40 and 55. Please give the conclusion based on the given question. So that is it. Next one. Two numbers are in the ratio 5:3 if they differ by 18. So the numbers are given in terms of their ratios. So usually whenever we have a ratio type of a sum, we always consider ratio as x. So let us consider the ratio as x in this case also. First of all, let us write fifth one. Let the ratio be x, as x will consider. Why x? Consider y if you want, anything. Two numbers are in the ratio 5:3. By data, the two numbers are 5x:3x or 5x and 3x. Okay, they differ by 18. 5x minus 3x is equal to 18. Why can't I write 3x minus 5x? Because they have given the ratios are 5:3. So the ratio will be 5x and 3x only. They differ means 5 to 3 only will differ. So 5x minus 3x. Simple. 5 minus 3, 2x is equal to 18. X is equal to 18 upon 2. X is equal to 9. Therefore, the number is 9. Now, according to the ratio, let us find. Therefore, the two numbers are 5x, that is equal to 5 into 9 is equal to 45, and 3x, that is equal to 3 into 9 is equal to 27. The two numbers are 45 and 27, right? You can even verify 45 minus 27, you will get 18 only there. Okay. The next one, 3 consecutive integers add up to 51. Okay, we'll do it here. We have space. Sixth one, 3 consecutive integers add up to 51. What are consecutive numbers? Numbers which will occur one after the other, right? But we don't know which are those first set of numbers, second set of numbers, how they are. So always when they give us the unknown consecutive integers, we'll consider them as x, x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3 and so on. So here 3 consecutive integers add up to 51. Let the 3 consecutive integers be x, comma x plus 1, comma x plus 2. These are the 3 consecutive integers. They add up to how much? They add up to 51. By data, let's add them. X plus 1 plus x plus 2 is equal to 51. So x term and x term, 3x plus 2 plus 1 is 3 is equal to 51. So we got here 3x plus 3 is equal to 51. 3x is equal to 51 minus 3. Transpose plus 3 to this side. 51 minus 3 is 48. X is equal to 48 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 6 are 18. So x is equal to 16. Always see here, I highlight the final answer, right? We need to give the conclusion here. I do not have space now. I'll just write beside this, but you need to write below this. Therefore, the 3 consecutive numbers are, we'll write the numbers like this here. Below that we can write it x plus 2. So this is 16, 16 plus 1, 16 plus 2, that is 16, 17 and 18. Right? Are they consecutive? 16, 17 and 18. Simple sums, right? Yes. We have few more sums based on the consecutive part only here. The next one, that is 7th one. I hope you have written down this. The next one, 7th one is the sum of 3 consecutive multiples of 8. I will erase this now and we will do it. The sum of 3 consecutive multiples of 8 is given by 888. Now again, we know the rule for consecutive numbers, how to write. So based on that, we will consecutive multiples of 8 also let us write. First of all, what are the consecutive numbers? Here x, x plus 1, x plus 2. But these are multiples of 8. So, which question is this? 8th one. Let the 3 consecutive multiples of 8 be. So the first one is 8x, next one is 8 of x plus 1 and next is 8 of x plus 2. See here, consecutive numbers are x, x plus 1 and x plus 2. Multiples of 8 will be 8x, 8 of x plus 1, 8 of x plus 2. They add up to 888 by data. 8x plus 8 of x plus 1 plus 8 of x plus 2 is equal to 8, 8 and 8. Simplify the bracket. So let's open the bracket and simplify this. 8x plus 8x, 8 into 1 is 8 plus 8x plus 8 2s are 16 is equal to 888. Now see here, we can add 8x plus 8x plus 8x, 16 plus 8 and so on. That will be quite lengthy. To make it much easier, what I do in this whole is, I take 8 common. So what will it be? X plus, again here x plus 1 plus x plus 2. Right? So 8 into x, 8x into 8x plus 8. 8x into x is 8x. 8 2s are 16 is equal to 888. X, x and x. 8 keep it here only as of now. 3x, 2 plus 1 is 3 is equal to 888. 8 is multiplied, bring it down here, that becomes division. 8 3x plus 3 is equal to 888 divided by 8. 8 ones are 8 1 1 1. 3x is equal to 1 1 1 minus 3. 111 minus 3 will give you 108. So x is equal to 108 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9, 3 6 are 18. X is equal to 36. So since you got x is equal to 36 now, what have they asked you to find? They have asked you to find the 3 consecutive numbers, find the multiples. So we need to find the multiples now. I'll just write here. The multiples are so what are the multiples there? 8x, 8 of x plus 1, 8 of x plus 2. So this is 8 into 36. So 8 of 36 plus 1, I'll write this as 37, and 8 of 36 plus 2 is 38. So we have to find the product of this. When we find the multiples, we get 8 into 36, 288, 8 into 37, 296, 8 into 38, 304. So these are the 3 multiples. So when you add them, you can cross verify, you get the answer as 888. Right? So you can copy this now and we'll move on to the next one, that is 8th one. 3 consecutive integers are such that when we take them in the increasing order and we multiply them with respect by 2, 3 and 4, they add up to a number that is 74. So we need to find again on consecutive numbers. There are few questions here. Again the consecutive numbers are x, x plus 1 and x plus 2. But these are multiplied by some numbers. Let's check that. 8 1. 3 consecutive integers are such that when they are taken in increasing order and multiplied by 2, 3 and 4 respectively, they add up to 74. So we'll take, let the 3 consecutive integers be, first is x, x plus 1 and x plus 2. So by data, when we multiply these consecutive integers by 2, that is first one we multiply that by 2, second one we multiply it by 3 and third one we multiply that by 4. The sum will add up to 74. So 2x plus 3 of x plus 1 plus 4 of x plus 2 is equal to 74. Let's open the bracket. 2x, 3x into 3 into x is 3x plus 3 plus 4x plus 4 2s are 8 is equal to 74. So 2x, 3x and 4x, when you multiply 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9x. 8 plus 3, 11. Right? Is equal to 74. We can transpose 11 that side. 9x is equal to 74 minus 11. So 9x is equal to 63. X is equal to 63 by 9. X is equal to 7. Therefore, we got the x value as 7. Now what we have to find? We have to find the numbers. That is, when multiplied by this and this, what are the numbers we need to find? I'll just write that here. Therefore, the numbers are, what's the first number? It is 2x. What is the second number? 3 of x plus 1. And what is the third number? 4 of x plus 2. So 2x, I will write 2 into 7. So 3 of, it is x plus 1. So 7 plus 1, I will write this as 8. And the last one, 4 of x plus 2. So 7 plus 2, 9. So the numbers are 14, 8 3s are 24 and 4 9s are 36. 36. So when you add this number, check, you will get answer as 74. So that is how we will solve it. So I want you to copy this down. Ninth one. The ages of Rahul and Harun are in the ratio 5:7. That is ratio, we consider that as x. 4 years later, some of their ages will be 56. Find their present ages. First of all, let the ratio be x. That is x we are choosing as the ratio. Ages of Harun and Rahul are in the ratio 5:7. So if I consider, let their present ages, let the present age of Harun and that is Rahul and Harun be in the ratio 5x and 7x. Let the present age of Rahul and Harun be 5x to 7x as per they have given. 4 years later. 4 years later, now for example, if I tell you your present age is 12 years, 4 years later, what will you do? 12 plus 4 you do, right? Similarly here, 4 years later, what will be Rahul's age? Five x plus 4. What will be Harun's age? 7x plus 4. 4 years later it is given. Okay, further we'll read. 4 years later, some of their ages will be 56. Some of their ages will be 56. So 4 years later, some of their ages will be 56 years. What are their present ages? So we will write now 5x plus 4, Rahul's age, plus Harun's age. 4 years later, their sum is 56. This is what given. We'll add the like terms. 7 plus 5 we can add, and 4 plus 4 we will add here. 7, 10, 12x plus 8 is equal to 56. So 12x is equal to 56 plus 8. To other side, when I transpose, it will become minus 8. So 12x is equal to 56 minus 8. You will get 48. X is equal to 48 divided by 12. 12 ones are, 12 fours are. X is equal to 4. So x is 4. So depending upon the x, we can find Rahul's and Harun's present ages. Will find Rahul's age is what? 5x, right? That is 5 into 4, 20 years. Harun's age. 7x. That is 7 into 4. 7 4s are 28 years. So these are their present ages of Rahul and Harun. So please copy down this. We will move on to the next sum. Next sum is again of the ratio type of a sum. That is 10th one. The number of boys and girls in a class are in a ratio 7 is to 5. The number of boys is 8 more than number of girls. Find the total strength of the class. So again, let the ratio be x. I will just keep that as it is. So all the ratio sums you can even choose as y. It's up to you. So we will stick on to one what we are using. And based on the given, we will try to solve it. Let the ratio be x. So the number of boys and girls in the class are in the ratio 7 is to 5. Ratio of boys and girls is how much? So boys are 7x and girls are, or 7x is to 5x. So boys are in the ratio 7x and girls are in the ratio of 5x. Keep that as it is. The number of boys by data. Number of boys. The number of boys is equal to 8 more than number of girls. So is when it is equal to sign. So number of boys, how do we write? So boys is nothing but 7x is 8 more than number of girls. So we bring 5 to the sign. 7x minus 5x is equal to 8. 7 minus 5, 2x. 2x is equal to 8. So x is equal to 8 by 2. X is equal to 4. Okay. So if x is equal to 4, let us find out number of boys and girls. Therefore, number of boys, they are 7x. So that is equal to 7 into 4, 28. And number of girls are 5x. That is equal to 5 into 4 is equal to 20. Okay. So these are number of girls and number of boys. So quickly finish this. We will be completing this exercise today. There are few more sums. We will be doing that now. We'll start with 11th sum. 11th sum, you need to read it twice, thrice very carefully. Baichung's father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather and 29 years older than Baichung. That means if you know Baichung's age, it is easy to calculate others' age. The sum of all these three ages will add up to 135 years. What is the age of each of them? So for this, first of all, let us understand what is Baichung's age. So first of all, we need to know what is Baichung's age here to understand his father's as well as grandfather's age. So we'll write, let Baichung's age be x years. Okay. So once Baichung's age, the next will be Baichung's father's age. And then Baichung's grandfather's age. Okay. Baichung's father's age. Read here. Baichung's father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather and 29 years older than Baichung. So Baichung's father is 29 years older than Baichung. Older is more than. Whatever is Baichung, his father is 29 years older than him. So Baichung's father's age is x plus 29. Keep that as it is. Again with the question. Baichung's father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather. That means Baichung's grandfather, if you consider with his age, Baichung's grandfather's age will be x plus 29 plus 26. Right? See, Baichung's is x. Baichung's father is 29 years older than Baichung. Then Baichung's grandfather is again, according to them, 26 years younger than him, but 29 years older than Baichung. So that will be x plus 29 plus 26. That is nothing but x plus 55. Once you get the equation, it's very simple. Finally, what they have asked? Sum of their ages is 135 years. Sum of their ages is 135 years. Initially, if you start writing his grandfather's age, you will not get. So first Baichung's age you have to write, then father's age with respect to father and Baichung, his grandfather's. Means you see how is a relation between Baichung to his grandfather. So add up everything. X plus 29 plus x plus 55, that is equal to 135 years. X and x will give you 3x plus 55 plus 29 will give you 84, that is equal to 135. So 3x is equal to 135 minus 84, 3x is equal to 51 when you subtract. X is equal to 51 divided by 3. X is equal to 3 ones are 3, 3 sevens are 21. So x is 17. So x is 17. Now give the conclusion. Therefore, Baichung's age x, that is equal to 17 years. Baichung's father's age it is x plus 29, which is nothing but 17 plus 29 is equal to 46 years, right? And the last, Baichung's grandfather's age x plus 55, that is 17 plus 55, that is equal to 72 years. For cross verification, when you add this 17 years, 46 years and 72 years, you have to get answer as 135 years. So these are the three ages: Baichung's father and his grandfather. So quickly we'll move on to the next one. 15 years from now, Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. That means if you know Ravi's present age, you can know his 15 years later age also. What is Ravi's present age? So we'll just clear the sum to copy the next one. Let Ravi's present age be x. So 15 years based on the given data, let us try to calculate and find out this present age. So usually in the verbal sums, I will not be giving any homework. I will only give in the equation part if you have. All the verbal question things will be done in the class itself. 12th one. 15 years from now, Ravi's age will be. First of all, let us assume that. Let Ravi's present age be X years. Okay. 15 years from now. So, from now that is nothing but after 15 years. So, after 15 years, what is Ravi's age? X plus 15. Keep this as it is. Now, read the question once again. 15 years from now, Ravi will be 4 times his present age. His present age is X. We have written there. So 15 years from now, Ravi's age is X plus 15 is equal to 4X. So what we do? We'll shift X this side. 15 is equal to 4X minus X. 15 is equal to 3X. X is equal to 15 by 3. 3 ones are 3 5s are. X is equal to 5. So Ravi's present age is 5 years. Okay. So we go with the next one. So that is, please copy down this. A rational number is such that when you multiply by 5 by 2 and add 2 by 3 to its product, you get minus 7 by 12. What is the number? We'll go to 13th one. So let the rational number be X. Okay. So rational number such that when you multiply by 5 by 2 by data. A rational number such that when you multiply that by 5 by 2 and add 2 by 3 to its product, you get minus 7 by 12. This is the equation given. What is the number? Let's keep X as it is here only. 5 by 2X is equal to minus 7 by 12 minus 2 by 3. LCM of 2 and 12 and 3 is 12. We have understood now how to take the LCM. Into 1, 3 4s are 12 into 4. Minus 7 minus 8 is equal to 5 by 2x. 5 by 2x is equal to minus 15 by 12. Keep x as it is. Minus 15 by 12. 5 by 2 reciprocal, when it goes this side, 2 division becomes multiplication. 5 comes to division. It is nothing. When this number is transposed to other side, that becomes its reciprocal. So 2 ones are 2, 6 are 12, 5 ones are 5, 3s are 15, 3 ones are 3, 2s are 6. X is equal to minus 1 by 2. Cancellation in pencil only. So the rational number is, please give the conclusion. The rational number is, we'll write it here. The rational number is minus 1 by 2. So a simple one. 14, 15, 16 are a bit lengthier, quite complicated, but if you understand the concept, it's quite very easy. So let's finish up that also. So read the question. What does the question tell? Lakshmi is a cashier in a bank and she has some money of certain denominations. But how much is the denomination? How much is the number of denominations? She is not aware. So Lakshmi is a cashier in a bank. She has a currency notes of denominations 100, 50 and 10. That means she has some notes. For example, if I tell you, I have 50 100 rupees note, 10 5 rupee note, and say I have 5 20 rupees note, like that. I know the number of notes what I have, but she here is not aware of what she has. She has a currency notes of denomination 100, 50 and 10. The ratio of the number of these notes are in the ratio 2:3:5. Total cash with Lakshmi is 4 lakhs. How many notes of each denomination does she have? That is what we have to calculate. So first of all, let us write that. This is question number 14. So we'll consider that here Lakshmi, then let the number of currency note so we will write here, let the number of currency notes of denominator what are the denominators given here, of rupees 100, 50 and rupees 10 be in the ratio what? B. In the ratio, what ratio they have given? 2x, 3x and 5x respectively. That means 100 we have in the denomination of 2x, 50 in terms of 3x and 10 in terms of 5x respectively. Let us see what amount she has. Amount she has with her. Okay, let's calculate that. So rupees 100 notes, how many she has? She has it in terms of 2x into 100, that is 200x she has of 100 notes. Then we will next rupees 50 notes, that is nothing but how many she has? 5x into 50, that is 250x, correct? She has 2x, 3x, so sorry, it is 50 notes are in terms of 3x, so this is 150. So 2x is 100, 3x is 50 and 5x is 10. Rupees 10 notes, they are 5x into 10, that is equal to 50x. Total money with Lakshmi is how much? 4 lakh. Total amount is equal to 4 lakhs. That is, with this amount what totally she has, 200x plus 150x plus 50x is equal to 4 lakh. 200 plus 150 plus 50, 200 plus 100, 300, 350 plus 50, 400x is equal to 4 lakh. X is equal to 4 lakh divided by 400. 2 zeros, 2 zeros. So x is equal to 4000. So x now we know. So let us calculate the denominations now. So we will write here number of rupees 100 notes. 100 notes were how many of denomination? 2x. That is 2 into 4000. She has 8000 of 100 notes. So let me just, I'm sorry, when you cancel here children, that's what I was wondering. If she has this much then it will not come. I only cancelled zeros. I this. 4 ones are. I only cancel zeros and gave the answer. But 4 ones are, 4 ones are, we need to cancel this. So this is 2 into 1000. That is 2000. Next, number of rupees 50 notes is of what denomination? 3x. I'll just underline this here. So 3 into 1000, that is 3000. Next, number of rupees 10 notes, 5x. So 5 into 1000, 5000. That means she has 2100 rupee note, 3050 rupees note and 5000 10 rupee note. Number of notes of these denomination Lakshmi cashier is having with her. So please copy this down neatly. 15th one. I have a total of rupees 300 coins in denomination rupees 1, 2 and rupees 5. The number of 2 rupee coins is 3 times the number of 5 rupee coins what I have, and total number of coins what I have is 160. It is number of coins, not total amount what I have. So total number of coins with me is 160. How many coins of each denomination are there in me? That means I have 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin and 5 rupee coin of how many denominations? It should add up to 300. But number of coins should be 160, right? So that is what given here, total number of coins. So let's first write, let the denomination according to the given here is 1, 2 and 5. So number of 2 rupee coin is 3 times the 5 rupee coin. Let the denomination of rupees 5 coin be x. Then denomination of rupees, what is that next coin here? Rupees 2 coin is, according to them, it is what they have given is 3 times the 5 rupee coin. 3 times the rupees 5 coin, which is nothing but 3x. So denomination of 5 rupee coin is x, means 2 rupee coin is 3 times of 5 rupee coin x. Then now we need to find denomination of 1 rupee coin, which is not given. Denomination of rupees 1 coin is equal to. Now what are total number of coins? 160. So if I have 160 coins in them, if I subtract the denomination of 5 rupee and 2 rupee coin, I get the denomination of 1 rupee coin. So this is x plus 3x, which is nothing but 160 minus 4x. Okay, this is the denomination of 1 rupee coin. So now we have denomination of all the coins. Let's read further what they have given. Let me calculate the amount I have. The same thing what we used in the previous part. Amount with me or amount I have. Whatever is given, let me check with the denomination part. Rupee 5 coin is equal to, so this is 5, let's see, rupee 5 rupee coin how many I have? I need to check that 5 into x, that is nothing but 5x. Rupees is next to what? 2 rupee coin. Rupee 2 rupee coin is how many times? It is 3. So this is 2 into 3x. Now Now see here, rupee 5 rupee coin we have only in one denominator, they have given it as x. 2 rupees coin is 3 times of 5 rupee coin. That means it is 2 into 3x, that is equal to 6x. Rupees 1 rupee coin is equal to 1 into 160 minus 4x, that is 160 minus 4x only. Denomination of what total amount what I am having, I am just calculating here. So this is 5x, 6x and this because it is 2 times. Then total amount is equal to rupees 300. That is what given here, right? The total amount is rupees 300. So let us just add 5x plus 6x plus 160 minus 4x is equal to 300. So if you calculate 6 minus 4 is 2x, 5 plus 2 you will get this as 7x plus 160 is equal to 300. 7x is equal to 300 minus 160. 7x is equal to 300 minus 160 is 140. So x is equal to 140 by 7, x is equal to 20. Okay, so we got x value now. So let's find out total denominations of the coin what I have here. So how do you calculate how many coins do you have of those denomination? Number of rupees 5 rupee coin is equal to x, that is equal to 20. So I have 25 rupees coin. Then number of rupees 2 coin is equal to 3 into 20 is equal to 60. I have 62 rupees coin last. Number of rupees 1 coin is equal to 160 minus 4x, that is 160 minus 4 into 20. 4 into 20 is 80. 160 minus 80 is 80. So 1 rupee coin you have 80, 2 rupee coin you have 60 and 5 rupee coin you have 20. You add them, you will get total 160 coins of these denomination. Total amount is 300. Correct? So please copy this down. Last sum of the exercise. The organizers of an essay competition decide that a winner in the competition gets a prize of rupees 100 and participant who does not win gets a prize of rupees 25. The total prize money distributed is rupees 3000. Find the number of winners if total number of participants are 63. So we have to find number of winners. So we will consider let number of winners be x. Number of participants be 63. Correct? If number of winners are x and number of participants are 63, the one who has not win, or we can say that, see, number of winners are given as x and number of participants are 63. Therefore, number of who has not won the prize, so we can consider them as non-winners. Be 63 minus x, because number of participants are 63, and if x will win, and I mean number of winners are x, if you subtract with this particular number, we will get the number of non-winners. Keep this as it is. Now according to them, what they have given here is organizers decide that the winner of the competition gets ₹100 as the cash prize. So let us and who will get ₹25 as the cash prize? Non-winner. Cash prize so we will write prize money. We can write that as prize money for winners. How much? It is ₹100, right? So that is 100 into x, that is 100x. And prize money for non-winners is ₹25, that is 25 into 63 minus x. So when you multiply 25 into 63, you get 1575 minus 25x. Keep this as it is. Read the final part. Total money distributed. Total money distributed is ₹3,000. Right? Yes. So let us find out now. That will be now total money is with respect to winners and non-winners, whatever is given. 100x plus 1575 minus 25x is equal to 3000. 100x minus 25x is 75x is equal to 3000 minus 1575. So when you subtract this, you get answer as 1425. 75x. X is equal to 1425 divided by 75. Start cancelling that by 5. So 5 ones are 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10. 4 remainder. 5 8s are 40. 5 5s are. 5 3s are 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. And what is the remainder here? 3 remainder. 5 7s are 3 1s are 3. 3 1s are 3 9s are. So x is equal to 19. What is this 19 here? Therefore, number of winners are 90. Correct? So that is where we complete this question. We complete this sum. We completed the second exercise for all the verbal questions. And next session we will start with the next exercise. So if you have any doubt in today's session, you can call on the same day of the video set. There is no homework in today's session because we had all the verbal sums. You can practice worked examples given in this.